Why I sold my XRP. Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel, and in today's video guys I'll share with you my thoughts on Ripple. So guys, first of all I'll do what I do best. I'll talk about technical analysis and why I sold XRP from a chart point of view. I'll try to explain to you where I've sold them. If you've been following me on this channel guys, you know exactly when I've been selling them, and I know I've been getting a bit of hate, but I wanted to make this video. A quick warning guys, do not buy or sell just because I'm telling you to buy or sell. Please do your own research, use the information I provide, and then make your own decisions. So like I've said, I'll do my technical analysis first, and then I'll share with you my thoughts on the Ripple XRP project from a fundamental point of view, and why there are some of the things that I do not like about it, and hopefully you can make up your own mind once I've shared my thoughts. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'd like to say is, if you look at the chart guys, it's in a massive downtrend. It's always lower lows, lower highs. It doesn't look good at all. And if you compare this chart to what Bitcoin looked at 6k, it is very similar. This bit of the chart looks very similar, and if this happens guys, it's not going to be good. So one strategy that I'd like to talk to you about is, people hodl saying that, oh, I do not want to miss a pump. But when coins go up, they do not just go up from $1 or where XRP is now to $3. It's not going to jump from 20 cents to $3 in one night or one day. It doesn't happen. So if you go back and see how the pumps happened, you'll see it went up slowly. So you had an opportunity to buy there, then there's loads of opportunities to buy. So if you sell, it doesn't mean that you're never going to be able to buy again. So that is my thoughts. Again, the first video that I'm going to make in my educational group is about investing versus trading. So if you're an investor and you're buying here for a longer term growth, that is fine. That's not my style. But also, if you bought it right at the top, it's already down so much, you might think it's already down so much, I might as well hodl. So that could be your strategy as well. I'm talking to you from my point of view. So I could sell, but I could get back in again. So that is a one thought that I'd like to share with you in cryptocurrency, where people do not want to sell because they think they'll miss the pump. Pumps don't happen like crazy. You always have opportunities, and I'll share with you when I sold and when I bought as well. That's one of the methodologies I wanted to share with you from my trading. If you are interested in my style of trading, you can join the educational group that I've created. I think the price is still $9.99 if you're interested. I just launched it today if you're interested. But again, what I'd like to say to you guys is, look at where the chart is. Like, it's come back to this zone so many times and people are not buying, and it is not breaking out. So this chart is not looking good from a weekly chart, daily chart. The trend has not been able to change. Now I'm going to use the charts that I've used with you before. So one of the trades I did this year, I've posted it. I think you can check the videos. I bought it here, and I posted it real time before it actually went up, and I was really happy. It's my strategy that I teach. I've got a day trading video on YouTube for free. You can check that out. This is the strategy that I roughly teach. The trend changed, it made a higher high, and I was looking to buy the lower high, and it came back here. It was bullish. You could see the increasing volume. I bought it here, I sold some, I bought some here. I think I bought some here as well. That was a loss. And those were two profitable trades, but Bitcoin could not hold above this level and could not break above this level. What we wanted to see was, if you go back, you'll see I drew this. It did not do that, and it broke down, and it was really not good. And again, if you look at here, I sold XRP here as well. You could check my videos. I've been making videos for over 2 years. I missed that and I sold it, and then we saw this big pump. What did I do? You could probably see it. This is where I got in XRP. This was a nice, if you go into shorter time frame, I could show you. This is where I got in, and that was a really nice trade this year, last year. This year those two trades worked, and that took a couple of losses as well. You can see now XRP is breaking down again. It broke down this level, tried to get above it, couldn't, and is breaking down again. We'll probably see a nice pump from here, but unless it breaks higher highs and starts higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, I won't be interested. And the chart that I mainly use is Bitcoin chart. This is the main chart I look at because I'm trading XRP with Bitcoin. and this chart looks really bad. It's just literally gone downhill, and I've made videos about it previously when it was going down. You can see the strategy that I teach, it's not been able to move above the red moving average, and it is not good. And in the videos I talked about this zone. If XRP couldn't break above this zone, it's really bad. It had a jump from here, which we thought it would, then it couldn't stay. It broke below it, couldn't make high, so it made a high low, but could not make a higher high. Basic trends, again, if you're interested, you can join our group. Basic trend change, I'll give you a brief now. Higher high, higher low, higher high. This is what we wanted to see. We did not get this. The Litecoin trades I've shared on this YouTube for free, that was the main thing that happened on the higher time frame, and I made money from that, and I think a lot of people on my YouTube channel made money from that as well. So at the moment it is still going lower highs. I will update you guys on the group and in the YouTube when this happens. And yes, it's not looking good for XRP, and I know I'll get a lot of hate, but I'm trying to be honest, and I've been trading forex, crypto, stocks for a while, and you see this all the time. People on YouTube, I don't want to name XRP YouTubers, they literally talk about XRP pumping to $10, $5, $8, $900 without any experience to get subscribers. I know my subscribers is not as much, but try to share with you real honest opinion. So unless XRP does what I said it want to see, I'm not going to look to buy it. And what is the true price of XRP? We do not know. The true price of Bitcoin, we do not know. So it's very difficult to say what the price will do. So that is my thoughts on the fundamentals, the technical analysis of XRP. I will share with you my thoughts on fundamentals. So first thing I'd like to say is, I've made some notes, is Ripple versus XRP. I really like the company Ripple. So they're doing something great, which improve international cross-border payments. But what is actually the value for XRP? If Ripple does well, does it mean the value of XRP will go up? So if I could invest in Ripple, the company, the stock, I would be happy. But XRP, what is the actual value of it? What is the value proposition? Again, I don't understand it. If you understand it and you're investing in it, that's great. Comment below, let's have a discussion. I'd like to find out more. But that is my thoughts on Ripple XRP. So Ripple is a company, and XRP is the decentralized token that they claim it to be. And there's confusion on whether it's centralized or not. Again, you can argue Bitcoin isn't centralized. I'm a massive fan of Bitcoin, but I do read about Bitcoin negatives. There's thoughts of Bitcoin quantum that could affect Bitcoin massively with quantum technology. There's issues of China having a lot of power in Bitcoin mining. So I'm aware of those as well. XRP, this guy actually is really good. I've had conversations with him, and I do like, I'm not saying I don't like XRP. I like XRP with what they're trying to do, and if they can achieve it, that is great. So I'm not saying XRP is centralized. You can argue both ways. I've had arguments with this guy on Twitter, and he's a knowledgeable guy. So that's why I said I should actually put a question mark against it, because I'm not 100% clear, but I'm researching on it. So that's why I do trade XRP. I've still got some XRP, but it's a really small amount. I think it's in a exchange Bittrex, and I've got some coins that I bought and hodl, like Potcoin. I thought with Canadian marijuana, Potcoin will be a massive coin, but yeah, that's it's only a couple of £100, and I've just left it. Really, one video I recommend you watch if you're into trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Are we wrong about altcoin season? I share with you a lot of detail. So guys, that's one point I wanted to make, the Ripple XRP and the value proposition of XRP. Third point I wanted to talk about was the centralization. You can put a question mark on it, but that is a question mark. Supply is one more thing, because XRP, it's not a mineable coin, but they do increase the supply. There's news of XRP selling millions of XRP. Again, these rumors, I don't know how much credibility that they've got, but we have to keep that in mind, that XRP do release, they have a lot held in escrow. They say they can't just dump it, but I'm not sure. They've got limits on how much they sell every month, like Bitcoin is mined, but I don't know how much control XRP or Ripple has on that. So that is another thing to think about if you're really invested in it long term. The last time is the unique selling point. What they're trying to do, I think other people are trying to do as well. You've got other money intermittence companies that are trying to do similar stuff. So what advantage have they got? I know it's cryptocurrency and blockchain, but are they actually making the world a better place? can people trust XRP? So if people are transferring XRP and the price goes up and down like Bitcoin, that's a bad thing about Bitcoin and currency, being a currency, and Bitcoin fluctuates so much. So there are things that we have to be worried about. I just want to share with you all my thoughts. Again, do not hate me because I'm talking negative about something. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts. I'm not saying negative or positive. I'm sharing with you my thoughts. Hopefully this helps you make a more better decision. And if it does help you guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. I think my channel is quite different to everyone else. Most people talk about things going to $100, $200. I think my channel is a bit more balanced, and I try to be honest with my thoughts. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you didn't enjoy it, or if you didn't like the content of it and you think XRP is going to go higher, let's comment below and have a discussion. If you're interested in more about learning how to trade, the simple strategy that I've taught is an overview of what I'm teaching in the cryptocurrency group that I've created today. So if you're interested, you can join that. The special early access is $9.99 for the first few people if you're interested in that. Again, I just appreciate you guys. You do not have to join my group. All I ask from you guys is subscribe, turn on the notification button, and subscribe and smash that like button. Put a lot of effort into creating this content, so I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. It really helps me out a lot. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Comment below your thoughts on Ripple XRP. Do you think it will go up? Do you think it's a great project long term? What do you think of the price? And I'll keep you guys up to date on my thoughts. So subscribe to my channel to make sure you get the notification when I'm trading and how I'm trading Ripple XRP. And I'll still be producing content on YouTube. This is for people that want to take their trading to the next level. I'll still be providing you guys really valuable, insightful content like I've always done for the past 2 years. Thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below your thoughts on Ripple XRP, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.